Gucci's out here selling my grandmother's, mine, ripped stocking. Hey YouTube, it is Samantha, also known as Miss McLaughlin, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time tuning in, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and comment down below on this video, and also turn on your post notifications so that you are notified when I post a video. So today I'm going to be talking about these Gucci distressed tights, and I'll also be sharing where you can get your own and how I feel about them. So if you want to learn more, keep on watching. I came across the website called Sense. It's a Canadian luxury retailer brand based in Montreal. So the Gucci tights that I'm talking about, these are them, guys. I don't know if you guys can see this. Gucci is out here selling my aunties, my grandmother's, mine, ripped stocking for 240 Canadian dollars, which equals to 190 US dollars. Not Gucci. No. Come on, bro. Like, I can't. I can't. I can't. You can't be serious. You cannot be serious. Now, what I want to know is, who is buying these for $190? Comment down below if you are spending 190 US or 240 Canadian for those Gucci. They didn't even try. They didn't even put a little G on it. Like, they didn't do nothing. Now, let me show you mine. Mine did not come in the little fancy box or any of that. It didn't. So these are the tights that Gucci is selling for $190. Mine came from my closet. Let me come closer. Mine came from my closet. Do you understand? Mine came from my closet. These are old stockings that are ripped. Let me show you. No, Gucci must be stopped. Like, come on now. These are the stockings, guys, that they're selling. These, like, ripped stockings. There's no effort. I haven't worn mine for a long time, so I think I'm just gonna pull them out and start wearing them again, because I didn't know I have stockings in my closet that is worth $240 and they're designer. I had no idea that these were designer. I got these from Walmart, and I think I bought a few from the dollar store, and I also bought a few from winners. So I have a whole closet filled of Gucci tights that I had no clue that they were luxury items. So now that I know that, I'm definitely gonna start making use of them. Now, why is this video important? This video is important because this goes to show you these brands don't really care too much what they're selling you. As long as they slap their name on a product, they know it's gonna sell, and they know people are gonna buy it because it's a household name, it's a luxury brand, and people love it. And what's even more frightening is that it came from our closet. You have these items in our closet, and back in the day, if you had a ripped stocking or a ripped nylon, you don't wear it. You don't. Wearing those wouldn't be accepted. Like, you can't wear those outside. Your parents would be like, where are you going? Where are you going? Now I'm going to be Gucci down to the socks, and you ain't even know it. Thank you guys for tuning in to another one of my videos, and I hope you liked it. Let me know what you guys think about these tights in the comment section, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and share this video. I would much rather you buy black, support my brand at Shop McLaughlin. That's the same name on Instagram, Twitter. My website is www.shopmclaughlin.ca. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next one.